In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use HubSpot products. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, reusable product entry. You can add to quotes, deals, and invoices with confidence. Start by signing in to your HubSpot account and opening the main navigation. Head to Commerce, then choose Products. This is your product library where you'll keep every item or service your team sells in one organized place. To add something new, select Create a product. A product detail panel will open with a series of fields. Begin with a clear product name. Use a naming convention that helps your team find the right item quickly, like including the model, Asunes, or Plantier. Consistency here saves a lot of time later. Next, use the upload option to add an image. A clean, high-resolution photo or a simple brand illustration makes your product easier to recognize. If you don't have an image handy, you can skip this for now and add one later. It won't block you from creating the product. Add a helpful product description. Think of this as a concise explanation your sales reps can rely on. Highlight what the product is, who it's for, and any key detail that prevents confusion, like included features or usage limits. Keep it clear and factual. Choose a tax category. This ensures the right taxes are applied when you add the product to a quote or checkout flow. If you're unsure which category fits, check your internal tax guidelines or ask your finance team. Getting this right up front avoids adjustments later. Select a product type that best reflects how you sell it, such as a physical good or a service. This helps reporting and downstream workflows categorize the item correctly. Now set your pricing. Enter the unit price, which is what customers will be charged per unit. Confirm that the currency shown matches your selling currency. If your account uses multiple currencies, make sure the correct one is selected before saving, then add the unit cost. This is your internal cost per unit and is used to calculate margins and profitability in reports. It's typically visible only to your team, not to customers. Once everything looks good, click Create to save the product to your library. From here, your team can quickly add it to quotes, deals, subscriptions, or invoices, ensuring consistent pricing and descriptions every time. That's it. Your product is now set up in HubSpot. Keep building out your catalog using the same approach, and consider standardizing names, images, and descriptions so your library stays clean and easy to use. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.